Hi everyone, welcome to Job Fever. So today we are going to continue our Leet Code 75 coding challenge. So today we are going to solve third question. We have already completed first and second. So we are going to solve third question which is related to address string. Okay. So kids with the greatest number of candies. Okay. So this is our question. So we will try to. So when you open this, so I have already opened this kids with greatest number of candies. So we are going to solve this question today. So 1431. This number is given by lead code. So let's get started. So this is our question. There are n kids with candies. You are given an integer array candies where each candies I represent the number of candies. The ith kid has an kid has and an integer extra candies denoting the number of extra candies that you have. Return a boolean array result of length n where result I is true. Okay, true if after giving the ith kid all the extra candies, okay, they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids, or false otherwise. Note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. Okay, so this is the question, so we'll try to understand with the help of the example. So we have candies. Okay, a list of candies, list of integer. Extra candies is 3. So output should be true, 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 false, and true. So explanation we are going to see. So kid 1. So they will have 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 3 is extra candy. Okay. And 2 is already, we have already given these candies to kids. Okay. So 2, this is the first kid who have 2 candies. So we are going to add extra candies which is 3, and already available candy which is 3. So we are going to add 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, so which is greatest among the kids. Okay, so here what is the greatest candies, which is 5. Okay, so if you are adding extra candies plus already available candies, it should be greater than equal to 5. Okay, because in note if you'll see, note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies, so it should be equal to or it should be greater than. So here in first condition, first case which is kid 1, we are adding 2 plus 3. So 2 is already available candy and 3 is extra candy. When we are adding both, we are getting 5, which is greatest among the kids. So what is the greatest one, which is 5. So the output should be true for this condition. And when then if we'll check the second uh, candy which is 3. So 3 plus 3, if you add 3, we already available candy, and 3 is a extra candy. So 3 plus 3, which is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. Okay, so then it should be true. So we are getting the true. Then again we are getting we have 5 and then 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 is greater than equal to 5. Okay, because 5 is our available greatest candy. And then again 1 plus 3. Okay, which will be 1 plus 3 will be 4. Okay, so which is not greater than the greatest amongst the kids. So then we are getting the output false. Again if, last one which is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6, which is greatest among the kids. So 6 is greater than equal to 5. So here we are getting output true. So this will be our output list of boolean true and false and true. So this will be our first test cases example. Then second test cases will see 4 2 1 1 2. Extra candy we are going to give 1. So when you add 4 to 1, what will be the highest number of candy, which is 4. Okay, so if you add extra candy plus available candy, it should be greater than equal to 4. So if you add 4 plus 1, which is greater than 4, so here we are getting 2. If 2 plus 1, which 3, which is less than 4, so we are getting false. So 1 plus 1 is 2, which is less than 4, so we are getting here false. And again 1 plus 1, which is 2, which is less than 4, then we are getting false. And 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 is less than 4, so we are getting false. So it will look like this, our output: true, false, 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 and false. So this is our second test cases. If you see the third test cases, which is we have 12 1 and 12, we have candies. Okay, we have given these candies to kids. Okay, and extra candy we have 10. So if you add the maximum number of candies will be 12 here. So if you add 12 plus 10 will be 22, which is greater than equal to max candy, which is 12. So we are getting true here. So 1 plus 10 11 which is less than 12, then we are getting false. 12 plus 10 which is 22, which is greater than 12, so we are getting 12. So like this all the test cases should work. This is the three test cases, this is the two, and this is the one. So we are going to think approach, and in which scenario we can cover all these test cases. So firstly, what we are doing here, so we have number of candies, and we are finding the max salad, max candies, okay, which is 5. So firstly we'll try to find out max candy, okay, max candy, okay, highest number of candy we can say, okay, highest number of candies. So firstly we will try to find, and after finding highest number of salary, what we can do, we can add available candies plus extra candies, okay, available candy, available candy plus extra candy, okay, extra candies. And if it is greater than equal to highest salary, but sorry, highest candy, then what it should do, then it should return 2, okay. If it is not 2, otherwise else false, okay. So this will be the second condition we are going to follow. So firstly we'll try to find out highest number of candy. So how can we find out highest number of candy in this list of integer, okay, list of array. So integer array, how can we find? So we are going to define one max equal to 0, okay, this is our, and then we are going to start loop from for which is from I equal to 0 to I equal to 0 to I less than length and I plus plus. So we'll calculate the length of kit, okay. So int len equal to candies and dot length, gth length, okay. So we have length, okay. Now we can find out the maximum. We are going to iterate from 0 to length, and now we can find if max, if candies, okay, first candies, okay, greater than available candy which is max, okay, then what should be, then in max available candy should be si. So max equal to available candy, so available candies, so this is the available candy. So now like this we can get the maximum number of candy, okay. So after getting maximum number of candy, how what is our next step? So available candy plus extra candy will add, and it should be get, if it is greater than highest candy, okay, which is 5, which we have calculated with the help of this max, and then return true else false. So I'm going to take for loop from same for loop, okay. We're going to, okay, yeah, here also we'll start from I to length. So again we have taken one loop which will start from I to length minus 1, okay. So what will be the condition? If max candy, okay, if available candy, so for available candy we can use this available candy and plus extra candy. So this is the extra candy. If both are equal, greater than equal to max, okay, so it should return true, okay. So take one array list and add all these value, boolean value inside this list. So list equal to new array list, okay. So we are going to take all these things in array list. So we have taken one array list, and then we'll add list dot add, okay, and our value is true, okay. So we have added, and then else what we can do, then if it is not greater than equal to max, then it should return false. So we are adding false in this array list, okay. So like this we will get the, list of boolean. Okay, so return list here. So now we have returned the list. So let's check, are we able to pass all test cases or not? Are we getting any compile time error or not? So let's run and check. We may get any error, compile time error. Okay, so we are getting I equal to 0. So here should be I should be assigned int I, because we did not assign I globally. So int I equal to 0. Then run it again, check, see. Yeah, so we are able to pass all test cases. Okay, so here test case 1, test case 2, test case 3. In test case 1 we are getting candies, these all are candies, extra candies 3, and output is should be true 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 false true, and we are getting expected is true 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 false true. Then we are getting the right, it's able to pass. In case 3 also 42112 extra candies 1, and able to pass output and expected output. So it's the same for case 3 also. We are able to pass pass all the test cases. Okay, in we have 12 1 12 candies, extra candies 10, and we're getting true false true and true false true. So able to pass all test cases, so all are working good. Okay, so this is the one of the approach by which we can solve this question, and we have various approach to solve this question. I have solved with by the help of the one of the approach. So if you have any other approach, then you can com- comment the approach in comment section, so that we'll also try to understand from your code. We'll try to learn together. So I hope you understood all the point which I covered in this entire video. So if you're loving my effort, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye everyone.